Yo, so this is James Lawrence from the James Lawrence Show about the Dji Neo. I got it like, must be like 2 months back. I've not really flown it like a whole heap. Probably seen in my videos, I've done some like night videos with it and stuff. But I decided to take it out yesterday and it was windy, really windy. And I had it in normal mode, took off, flew it out, put it into manual mode, flew it with the wind, and then I turned it around, tried to fly back into the wind, and the drone just, I don't know how to describe it, it just flipped upside down. I lost all control of it, and it just blew, or it just landed into like these thorn bushes. Like I had to use the where the video to kind of record whereabouts it had landed. It took me about like 45 minutes to get it back. Wading through these bushes, man, pain in the ass, to be fair. And I want to know if anybody else has had that experience with their Neo, it just doing what's in this video I'm about to post after I finish speaking. And please guys, let me know, put your comments down below, and if there's any fixes for it, I'm not doing anything right, that's why it happened, let me know. Peace. Enjoy the crash.